Okay guys, so today I'm in my 2001 F250 and I'm gonna take care of this very common problem in these trucks, whether it's the F150, the F250, 350, whatever. So as you all already know, if you have one of these trucks, this center console padding here likes to come off just like that, the same way on the other side, and obviously you can't really get this anymore unless you buy an aftermarket one, and that's exactly what I did. I already did a video on my F-150, which is basically the same thing. Here's the part that I bought. Let's see, does it have a part number? Yeah, I think that's the part number, S02334. That's the part number right there. So let me unbox this real quick. This is not a soft, cushy one, just like, it's not like the original one. This is just made out of plastic, but it should be about the same. I bought the gray one. They have it in black and brown, I think, but I bought the gray one, which should be close matched to my interior. So this is what it looks like. The back of it is just plastic, and like I said, it's not cushioning or anything, it's just hard plastic, but it should take care of the problem, and we'll get rid of this old one. So all we have to do is remove the old one. I think we only need like a flathead screwdriver. I think that's all I use in my other one, the F-150. Now some of the tabs are gonna break on the old one, and that's okay, it's not a big deal. We'll remove this old patty one. There you go. See, that's how the original one is. It's soft and mushy and padding, but the one that you're gonna get aftermarket one is not the same. So we got to remove this hard plastic, and in order to do that, basically you just stick a screwdriver in there, and you're just gonna have to break off, probably break the clips.
You have to pry it out too.
Let me see. Yeah, we're prying it out, but there's no way to. Basically, you just, some of these clips, they're just gonna break off.
Just push down, and then it will pry off.
Yeah, we're gonna have to break them. Okay, so like I said, you are not really gonna be able to get this off and in one piece. You're gonna have to like break it. You can see the tabs. Those tabs go in the hole and they lock into place. So some of these are gonna break off when you're removing them, but that doesn't matter because you're not gonna use this anymore. You're gonna replace it with the aftermarket one. See? So they're just popping off right now. Let me see that.
Ooh.
Let's see.
Can I pry it off?
No.
Why can't I?
You can just hold the phone and record for me. Hold it like this. Don't touch the screen. Don't move the phone, okay?
Okay.
Okay, you're my little helper. Okay, so yeah, like I said, they're all gonna break. That's just, I don't see any other way of getting them off without breaking, but it doesn't matter. So as long as you don't damage the black part of it, you'll be fine. That's all we care about. I don't care about the clips anymore. Almost there. Alright, hang on. Let me step back up. Look at the camera. Look at the phone.
I am.
Up. Okay, I'm gonna pop this so that I can get this side a little better.
Okay.
Okay.
Maybe not.
Okay, so it's off. Like I said, most of them broke. There's only like 2 they're still attached. They all broke and they fell in there. So that's off. Trash. Now, so we're gonna clean this up, all this gunk, before we put the new one on there. And I'll get back to you in a minute. Okay, so the area here is all clean. Looks good. Here's the new one. Here's the old one. Let's see. Gonna compare them. Make sure they're the same size. And they are. As you can see, this one is a little bit darker than this one, possibly because this one is brand new. And this is 23 years old. So that one goes there. I already matched up all the tabs on the new one. They all match. And now we're just gonna have to put it in there. And that's the wrong way. I'm being dumb. It goes in like that.
You're not being dumb, Daddy.
I'm being dumb.
No, you
I
are.
was putting it on the wrong way. But it goes on like that. And now we just gotta push it into place. Make sure everything clicks. And that's kind of hard to do sometimes with one hand. So we're gonna push these things into place, just that, like that.
I'll keep this part down.
What are you filming? Is it showing this? Okay, that side is on there. Now we're gonna do this side.
Okay.
Come on, clip it. There you go. It's on. Okay. Yeah. So as you can see, it's nice.
And now.
Nice and even all the way around.
Can it show me too?
Looks good. No more gaps. Fits perfectly fine. Like I said, it's hard plastic. It's not cushioning. But who cares about that? Looks good now. Let me close this. Watch your fingers there. Let me close it. There you go. Obviously this is a little darker than this because this is brand new and this is 23 years old. But anyways, that looks good. I like it. Today guys, this was just a short video. I'm pretty sure everybody already knows how to do this. You probably done it before, but that's just I wanted to show you my experience. I'm happy with it. Looks good. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Hit your like button and share if you want to. Thanks for watching. Take care now. See you on the next one. Go like this. Down here. See ya.
See ya.
Other way guys, before I throw it in the trash, I just wanted to say I got this on eBay. I think I paid $17 for it. You can also find it on Amazon for like 23 something, like under 25 bucks. So yeah, it's not very expensive. All right, bye now.